Alright, this video is about how to turn a improper fraction into a mixed number. So, an improper fraction, as you might know, is a fraction where the numerator, the number on the top, is greater than the number on the bottom, the denominator. So, for example, you might have 23 halves. Now, this is considered not simplified. So if you're asked to simplify something and you get an improper fraction, that is not considered simplified or reduced. So a basic rule with fractions when you're leaving your answer is to always leave it in simplified form. So not to leave an improper fraction as your answer. So what we have here is 23 halves. And as you know, I like to draw pictures, so I'm going to draw a picture first for how to solve this, and then I'll do the other way. So I have 23 halves. I know there are 2 halves in one whole. 2 halves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 halves. That's 23 halves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. It's always good to double check that you drew the right amount. So, basically, when you turn it into a mixed number, you're asking, okay, well, how many wholes is it, and then how many fractions do I have left? So, 23 and a half just equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 1 half. And the reason why I did it in halves is because the fraction is originally in halves. And you always want to stick with the denominator that you're using in the first place. So if it's in halves, you keep it in halves. It's in fourths, you keep it in fourths. So this is 11 and 1 half. Now, the other way to do this, we will get the same answer, is to divide. So I always tell you guys, and I hope you remember, that all fractions are division problems. All fractions are division problems. Top number divided by the bottom number. This little line right here means divided by. So that is a really important thing to remember. All fractions are division problems. So what we're going to do is divide. Top number in the house. Top number always goes in the house. 23 divided by 2. Now I divide. 2 goes into 2 one time. 2 times 1 is 2. Bring down. Excuse me. And 2 goes into 3 one time. 1 times 2. And then 1. So now you have 11 with 1 left over out of 2. So I kind of have this little trick I call my little, my mixed number clock, I guess. Start at the top, that's your whole number. Start at the top of the clock, go down to the bottom of the clock, and come right back around. So the answer is 11 and 1 half. So you just kind of start, and you go around clockwise. It's just a trick. It doesn't really mean anything. The real meaning is that it's 11 and you get 1 left over, and that 1 is out of 2 that you were dividing with. So equals 11 and 1/2. Alrighty, and that's it for that video.